Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore affiliate ROI tracking with spreadsheets and formulas. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred spreadsheet software. Create a new spreadsheet for tracking your affiliate ROI. Label the first row with headers for easy reference. Include columns for affiliate program, total spend, total revenue, and ROI. Next, in the total spend column, input the amount spent on each affiliate program. In the total revenue column, input the revenue generated from each program. Now, focus on calculating the ROI for each program. In the first cell of the ROI column, enter the formula for ROI. The formula is total revenue total spend divided by total spend. For example, if total revenue is in cell C2 and total spend is in cell B2, the formula will be satface C2 B2/B2. After entering the formula, press enter to calculate the ROI for that program. To apply this formula to all programs, click and drag the bottom right corner of the cell. This action will copy the formula down the entire column. Verify that the calculations are correct by reviewing a few rows manually. Format the ROI column to display percentages for better readability. Select the ROI column and choose the percentage format from the menu. Now, you can easily interpret the performance of each affiliate program. Consider adding conditional formatting to highlight high or low ROI values. This can help you quickly identify which programs are performing well. Maintain your records regularly by updating the total spend and revenue as needed. With these steps, you can effectively restore affiliate ROI tracking using spreadsheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.